Hello Vavers, you're watching YouTube channel Daily USA News Alert. Breaking. Unbelievable, California refused 5.6K requests to turn over criminal illegals to feds. A new report reveals that sanctuary state California has refused nearly 6,000 ICE requests to turn over criminal illegals. What's happening in California and other sanctuary states has been going on for a very long time, as Mercury News reported back in 2013. Governor Jerry Brown signed a law that shields illegal immigrants arrested on suspicion of many crimes from being turned over to immigration authorities. Coming on the heels of Brown signing a bill allowing illegal immigrants to obtain driver's licenses, Brown's signature on the so-called Trust Act signaled a personal turnaround. It also highlighted the dramatic shift in Californians' views toward illegal immigration since voters in 1994 overwhelmingly approved Proposition 187, which barred illegal immigrants from receiving public benefits but was ultimately overturned in court. Brown said that AB 4 by Tom Ammiano, D. San Francisco, protects public safety and yet also protects immigrants who are basically living upright lives and working hard for the people. The bill prohibits placing U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement holds on jail inmates who are otherwise eligible for release. Brown said he now felt comfortable signing the bill because the legislature had added several provisions to the Trust Act since he vetoed it last year that will allow those charged or convicted with serious and violent felonies to be held for ICE agents. Crimes added to the list that expose immigrants to deportation include child abuse, gang-related crimes, drug trafficking, weapon sales, using children to sell drugs and aggravated federal felonies. The sanctuary state of California refused 5,600 requests by federal immigration officials over 2 years to turn over criminal illegal aliens, state data finds. In an exclusive interview with SiriusXM Patriots Breitbart News Tonight, Immigration Reform Law Institute, IRLI, Executive Director Dale Wilcox revealed that within a 27-month period, the state of California had failed to honor about 5,600 Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) detainers, which are the holds ICE agents file to local jails and police to request that an illegal alien be turned over to them for arrest and deportation. Of these 5,600 failed ICE detainers, more than 3,400 were lodged against an illegal alien who had been classified Level 1 and Level 2 offenders, meaning that these illegal aliens had been charged with crimes like homicide, kidnapping, sexual assault, robbery, aggravated assault, drugs, and fraud. The bottom line is, sanctuary cities are neither humane nor compassionate, Wilcox told Breitbart News Tonight. They're dangerous policies that cost Americans lives. What will it take for these anti-borders politicians to wake up and put the safety and security of their citizens, their legal residents, before the interests of criminal aliens? About 250 of the ICE detainers not honored had been filed to Napa County and Sonoma County law enforcement officials. These two California counties had sanctuary city policies before the state's statewide sanctuary policy. The 5,600 failed requests by ICE to have criminal illegal aliens turned over to them came before California enacted their statewide sanctuary policy, where all local jails and counties are prohibited from cooperating with federal immigration officials. Early researchers said records after the passage of California's sanctuary state policy are likely to show an increased number of cases where local jails and law enforcement officials refused to turn criminal illegal aliens over to ICE. In a specific case, most recently, Wilcox noted that Napa County, California Deputy Riley Uretsky was nearly killed by 3-time deported illegal alien Javier Hernandez Morales during a traffic stop after local officials refused to turn him over to ICE agents for deportation. Its own deputy almost got killed as a result of its refusal to honor ICE detainer requests, Wilcox said. And this individual had been deported 3 times in the past. So they say there's no emergency or need for a wall. This criminal alien is just walking back into the country. ICE had requested 4 separate times that Hernandez Morales be turned over to them to be arrested and deported back to Mexico. 3 of the detainers were placed with the Napa County Sheriff's Department and 1 was placed with the Sonoma County Sheriff's Department. None of the ICE detainers were honored.